Wow. Here in Ireland, birds are in trouble, like they are across the world. 63% of our birds are at risk of extinction. So by sharing the sounds, the wonderful sounds, especially the dawn chorus, with people, I really feel that it woos them into fighting for nature. When these species disappear, it's apparent in the sonic loss, and so this sonic loss is a representation of the physical loss. This is a waterproof recorder that will run for up to 2 weeks, and this location is very important for migrating shorebirds. So because I have the sea behind me here, I have a saltwater lagoon behind me here, they'll have to fly over. So by placing this here, I'll be able to monitor these birds, I'll be able to capture their calls, and I'll be able to tell environmental stories with what I capture from this. So you can see all the birds there per hour. The species, common name, Latin name. This is why I do what I do, to show people the beauty of what we're erasing. Because I think that if people realise just how beautiful and spectacular and educational wildlife really is, there's no way they would let it disappear.